Hey.
Here's Monorail Blue, everyone.
Thank you. Can I sit in the front?
Yeah, just wait right the door with them.
Perfect. Thanks. you.
You can sit next to me. Oh, hi.
Hey.
This is so cool.
I know, this is so exciting.
Have you ever done this?
I did it on the way in and now I'm doing it on the way out.
Nice.
This is so exciting.
I have never done this. Neither one of us has.
It's so cool.
You have? What?
Like a long time ago. That's how I knew it was a thing.
Well, I usually like, the kids are in here. We just start taking pictures.
Hello, folks. Wow, look at all the buttons. Wonder what they do. So I find
Well,
out.
if you don't know, I can take a crack at it.
It's my first time too.
Did the Jungle Cruise skipper tell you to say that?
Maybe.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
That's crazy. How was your morning?
Chilly.
Are you cold?
We were used to 105, 106 degrees. This 75 degrees stuff is too hot.
Perfect.
Sure.
I've been waiting for it.
Probably you and a lot of other people
Uh-huh.
had enough with the
Well, because
heat.
last weekend was really hot, right?
Crazy, huh? And we went to Scottsdale, Arizona for a week.
Oh God, that's worse.
It was 108 when we got there.
Yeah.
And it really didn't feel that bad.
Really?
Because the prior week they had 120. So 108 didn't feel all that bad.
That's so dangerous.
It's a dry heat, so you
Yeah.
don't feel it.
Yeah.
That's hot. I'm tired.
It's the thing that people say to make themselves feel better about
Yeah.
the heat.
You say it loud enough, and I'll feel
Sure,
to believe
sure.
it. Exactly. Yeah.
It's not the heat, it's the humidity that kills you. That's the other one.
Yeah. Actually, it wasn't any.
No, not
It
out
was so
there.
dry.
No, yeah.
Yeah, not like Florida.
No. Forget Florida.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, facial in Florida.
Wouldn't this have been something to record? Not good.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland
That's
Monorail.
not me, that's
There you go.
We
Mr.
are now
House.
beginning
I'm about to
a
love Mr.
2-hour
Voice.
journey to downtown
Oh my
Disney Station
God.
and back. For a safe trip, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet,
Oh my
and legs
gosh.
inside the
Monorail,
cabin.
no,
Be sure to watch your children and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuelgue las nubes. Se duele no fumar.
You are riding aboard the Mark Center, the latest generation of Disneyland monorails. board the monorail for a return trip to Tomorrowland up until 1/2 hour prior to Disneyland closing. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop and the doors have opened. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the left of the monorail.
Well, that's
Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you enjoy your visit to the Disneyland Resort. For those of you continuing with us, we'll begin our return trip to Tomorrowland.
Thank you so much.
in just a few minutes.
Thank you.
Lights are ahead on the way